This is how winter mornings in Finland look on any given day. This is how races up in the north sometimes begin. Almost randomly, during a remote pit stop in the middle of somewhere. Often they are races between men and boys. The young and fast facing the old and wise. Races where the old men patiently follow the roads and the young guys constantly seek for shortcuts. Around here, conditions can be rough. Snow piles up higher than the trees. Days are short, nights are long. The frost is standard, and ice is taken for granted. Around here, the old man slides, and the young one flies. Around here, the races start at sunrise and finish at sunset, and maps are usually nothing more than a confusing piece of paper. But at the end of the day, it's not about who gets there first. It's about the journey. Driving through the toughest of conditions, trusting the tires that you choose. Around here, it's never a battle, but a fair competition between two friends. The old man who still is the fastest tractor driver in the world, and the young guy who one day will be wiser.